Brosix is a secure instant messaging and collaboration tool, ideal for everyday communication for business and leisure. This tutorial will guide you through the way to set up Voice Changer software Diamond to change your voice in Brosix's voice chat session. Here is the guide. Step 1. Prepare your new voice with Voice Changer software Diamond. In main panel of Voice Changer software Diamond, choose the morphing effects and make adjustments until you are satisfied with your vocal output. There are several ways to change your voice, including voice morphing and audio effects. Step 2. Adjust the audio and video settings in Brosix. Run Brosix and log in your account. The Brosix welcome screen is appeared. Click on Check your sound and webcam to configure your audio and video devices. Step 1. Set up playback device. Keep the current setting. Step 2. Set up recording device. Choose microphone AV soft virtual audio device as recording device. Step 3. Set up video device. Select your webcam device. Then click Finish to apply the setting. You can now start voice chatting on Brosix. The morphing settings for your voice will be applied automatically.